What if I told you the world's most precious metals aren't just for jewelry, but are the secret behind your smartphone, your lights, and even space travel? These elements, gold, silver, and copper, are the unsung heroes of technology, making our modern lives possible. Without them, the screen you're watching this on wouldn't exist and we'd be stuck in a pre-digital age. Each has a unique superpower that makes it indispensable in electronics. Today we're diving into the electrifying secrets of the top 3 metals that power our world. This is the story of silver, copper, and gold like you've never seen them before. Let's start our journey with the undisputed champion of electrical conductivity, silver. For centuries, silver has been prized not just for its beauty, but for its remarkable ability to conduct electricity better than any other element on Earth. If you could peer into the atomic structure of silver, you'd see a perfectly organized lattice that allows electrons to move with incredible freedom. Silver lets electricity flow with almost zero resistance. Think of it as the autobahn for electrons, where there are no speed limits and no traffic jams. Compared to copper or gold, silver's atomic structure offers the least resistance, making it the ultimate superhighway for electrical current. This is why, in theory, if cost were no object, every wire in the world would be made of silver. But here's the catch: silver is expensive. Its rarity and demand in industries like jewelry and investment mean that wiring an entire city, or even a single building with silver, would be astronomically costly. That's why, despite its superior performance, silver is used sparingly and only in places where nothing else will do. Instead, silver is reserved for high-stakes technology. Think satellites, spacecraft, and critical medical devices, where failure simply isn't an option. In these environments, the reliability and efficiency of silver can mean the difference between mission success and catastrophic failure. In the vacuum of space, where temperatures swing from blistering heat to freezing cold, silver's unmatched conductivity ensures that every signal, every command, and every bit of data gets through without a hitch. It's the silent hero behind the scenes, making sure that our most ambitious technological feats are possible. Back on Earth, you'll also find silver in high-end audio gear, specialized switches, and luxury electronics, places where even the tiniest bit of resistance can affect performance. Audiophiles and engineers alike trust silver to deliver the purest sound and the most reliable connections. Silver's resistance to arcing and corrosion makes it perfect for equipment that must last millions of cycles. In industrial settings, silver contacts ensure that switches and relays keep working flawlessly year after year, without degrading or failing. Even the solar panels powering our renewable future rely on silver. Tiny lines of silver paste are printed onto each panel to collect and transport electricity generated from sunlight, maximizing efficiency and helping turn solar energy into a practical reality. Engineers and scientists carefully weigh the benefits of silver against its cost, using it only where its unique properties are absolutely essential. It's a delicate balance between performance and practicality, and silver always finds its place where excellence is non-negotiable. So, next time you see a satellite orbiting above or a solar panel soaking up the sun, remember, silver is the hidden force making it all work. It's the king of conductivity, quietly powering the technologies that shape our world. If silver is the racehorse, fast, elegant, and highly prized for its performance, then copper is the true workhorse of our modern world. While silver dazzles with its brilliance and speed, copper is the steady, dependable force that keeps everything moving behind the scenes. Copper is the workhorse, strong, reliable, and everywhere. It's the metal that quietly shoulders the burden of our daily lives, powering our homes, our cities, and our industries. From the moment you wake up and turn on a light, to the time you plug in your phone at night, copper is there, working tirelessly in the background. Copper is nearly as conductive as silver, which means it can carry electrical current with remarkable efficiency. But unlike silver, which is rare and expensive, copper is far more affordable and abundant. This unique combination of high conductivity and reasonable cost makes copper the obvious choice for almost every electrical application you can imagine. That's why copper is the backbone of our electrical world. The wires hidden in your walls, the sprawling power grid that connects entire cities, and every electric motor that spins in your appliances, all of them rely on copper. Without it, our electrified world would simply not function. Its blend of conductivity, ductility, and cost makes it the go-to for 99% of electrical applications. Copper is easy to shape and stretch into thin wires, yet it remains tough and durable, able to withstand years of use without breaking down. This versatility is unmatched by any other metal. Imagine for a moment replacing all that copper with silver. The cost would be astronomical, so high in fact that building even a single home would be out of reach for most people. Our entire modern infrastructure would grind to a halt, held hostage by the price of a precious metal. Copper's stability means it lasts for decades, making it perfect for infrastructure. Even as it ages, copper resists corrosion and maintains its integrity, ensuring that the systems we depend on remain safe and reliable for generations. It's also highly recyclable, which is crucial in today's world. Old copper can be melted down and reused again and again, reducing environmental impact and supporting sustainability. In fact, much of the copper in use today has already lived several previous lives. From electric vehicles to data centers, copper is everywhere, quietly powering the green energy revolution. It's the hidden force inside wind turbines, solar panels, and the charging stations that will drive our future. As we transition to cleaner energy, copper's role becomes even more vital. Every year, over 20 million metric tons of copper are used around the world, much of it recycled. This massive demand is a testament to copper's importance in every aspect of modern life, from construction and transportation to technology and renewable energy. So while it may not be flashy or glamorous, copper is the unsung hero enabling our electrified world. It's the silent partner in every device, every building, and every innovation that shapes our lives. It's the foundation of everything from your morning coffee, brewed in a machine powered by copper wires, to the latest tech that connects us all. Every swipe, click, and call depends on copper's reliability. So let's give copper the credit it truly deserves. It may not shine like silver, but it's the metal that keeps our world running, strong, steadfast, and indispensable. Now let's talk about gold, the immortal connector. Gold has fascinated humanity for thousands of years, not just for its beauty and rarity, but for its remarkable properties that make it invaluable in the world of technology. While we often think of gold as a symbol of wealth or luxury, its true power lies in its ability to connect, protect, and endure where other metals fail. Gold isn't the best conductor of electricity. Both copper and silver outperform it in that department. But what sets gold apart is its absolute resistance to rust, tarnish, and corrosion. Unlike copper, which can turn green and degrade over time, or silver, which can tarnish and lose its luster, gold remains unchanged, no matter how many years pass or how harsh the environment becomes. That's why gold is the metal of choice for plating connectors in computers, smartphones, and high-end audio or video cables. Whenever a flawless, uninterrupted connection is absolutely critical, where even the slightest bit of resistance or corrosion could mean data loss or device failure, gold steps in as the hero. It's not about using a lot of gold, but about using it in the right places, where its unique properties make all the difference. Even a microscopic layer of corrosion on a connector can disrupt a data signal, causing glitches, dropouts, or even total failure. Gold, however, stays perfect for decades, maintaining a clean, reliable path for electrons to travel. This is why gold-plated connectors are often found in the most demanding applications, where reliability is non-negotiable. In deep space probes, satellites, and spacecraft, gold-plated connectors are essential. These machines travel millions of miles from Earth, exposed to radiation, extreme temperatures, and the vacuum of space. There's no room for error, no way to send a repair crew. Gold ensures that even after years in the harshest environments imaginable, every connection remains as flawless as the day it was made. But gold is precious, so it's used sparingly. Engineers apply a microscopically thin layer of gold over a copper conductor, combining copper's excellent conductivity with gold's immortality. This clever pairing gives us the best of both worlds, the speed and efficiency of copper protected by the eternal shield of gold. Imagine copper as a busy highway carrying streams of electrons at high speed. Gold acts as the indestructible on-ramp, ensuring that every electron enters and exits the system without interruption, no matter how many years or cycles pass. If you've ever opened up an old piece of electronics, a vintage game cartridge, an early computer, or a decades-old stereo, you'll notice something remarkable. The gold on the connectors still shines, untouched by time. It's a mark of quality, a sign that the device was built to last. Gold's role isn't about carrying the bulk of the current, but about preserving the integrity of every connection. It's the silent guardian, protecting your data, your music, your memories from the ravages of time and the elements. Every time you plug in a high-end device and experience flawless performance, you're witnessing gold's quiet magic at work. It stands guard at every critical gateway, ensuring your devices work perfectly year after year, upgrade after upgrade. Together, copper, silver, and gold form the perfect team, each playing a unique, irreplaceable role in the world of electronics. Copper carries the current, silver offers the highest conductivity, and gold preserves the connection for a lifetime. That's material science in action, using the strengths of each element to build technology that lasts, connects, and endures. Gold may be rare, but its impact is everywhere, quietly powering the world around us. So, there you have it, the secret lives of silver, copper, and gold. They're the building blocks of our connected world. Silver for speed, copper for strength, and gold for reliability. Every time you flip a switch or send a text, these metals are working behind the scenes. It's amazing to think elements forged in dying stars now power our digital lives. Which metal surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more electrifying science secrets.